Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to Civil Engineers YouTube channel. Today in this short video lecture, I will guide you how to make a small house planning in the dimensions of 18 by 18 feet, step by step. So therefore watch this video till the end to know about how to make a small house planning step by step. If you need house planning, structural drawing, 3D animation for any type of building, so you can contact me on this WhatsApp number. This is paid services, not for free. Dimensions are 18 by 18 feet. Here guys we have one bedroom. This is study room. This is open to sky. This is lounge. Okay. This is kitchen. This is bath. This is also open to sky. This is staircase. Okay guys, this is roadside. Okay, the front is located to the north direction. Okay guys, you can see this is the main entrance, which is up to 4.5 feet. The first one guys, you can see when you enter by this main gate, so this is a TV lounge. Size of this TV lounge with this staircase, which is up to, this is 10 feet, sorry 11 feet. This is 11 feet by, here this is 11 feet. Okay, eight feet. Okay, so this is size of TV lounge. The first one guys, you can see this is a kitchen. Size of this kitchen is 7 feet by 6 feet. Length is 7 feet, width is 6 feet. This is the window to this open sky. Size of this open sky is 3 feet by 5 feet. Okay, so this is open to sky. This is window for this bath. This is window for this bedroom. Next guys, you can see this is the first bedroom. Size of this bedroom is 10 by 10 feet. Okay, so this is bath. Size of this bath is 4 feet by 5 feet. This is size of bath. This is its ventilation to this open sky. This is the window for this bedroom. Next guys, you can see here, this is the study room. Size of this study room is 10 feet by 11 feet. Okay, this is open to sky. This is window for this study room. This is window for this bath, for this bedroom. And here guys, you can see this is wardrobe. Okay, for books etc. you can use for this study room. Next guys, you can see from this TV lounge, this is a staircase for the first floor. So same design you will find on the first floor. So these are steps. Its riser is 7 inches, trade is 11 inches. As you can see, this is the window to the roadside for proper ventilation. So guys, you can see everything is perfect in the dimensions of 18 by 18 feet. That's why, because here 3 sides are closed. So this is the other person property, left side, right side, only front is open to the roadside. Okay, so hope this short video can help you. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.